Economic condition under old regime. As we have studied earlier, that all the money has been spent on the war with Britain in America and other things. So the economic condition of France was very bad. France economy was based on primarily on agriculture. They were based on agriculture. If the society is based on agriculture, and as we have studied the third state, mostly 98% people belong to third state. It means that mostly people belong to the peasants also. They do not have their land, and if there is bad harvest, then what will happen? Then they will not get any crop, and they have to face hunger, chronic hunger. Poor harvest mean they will not be able to pay regular taxes. And apart from that, bourgeoisie often managed to gather wealth but were upset that they paid taxes while nobles did not. What was the problem? That some people was rich, some people were getting money, but they were thinking that nobles are not paying taxes a lot and we have to pay, we have to submit this. This is not good. Now France became bankrupt. As you have studied that they are spending a lot in these things, then what will happen? Then definitely there would be a problem of money, because they are paying a lot. The king Louis XVI, he was living very luxurious life. He used to invest, he used to spend a lot money on himself and her queen Marie Antoinette. She was also a very wasteful woman, very wasteful queen. She do not have any friend, not so much friends. She was living luxurious life. She was not thinking any about her people, about her citizens. They were only living their own life. That was the actual problem. They were not being interacted with the people. And deficit spending, a government spending more money than it's taken from tax revenues. What was the problem? Whatever they were getting, they were investing more than that, and privileged class would not submit to being taxed. What does mean? Those people who have lots of money, those who were earning a lot, they were not paying taxes. She is Marie Antoinette, very luxurious person. Next, this is Palace of Versailles, and preparing for the State General. What happened? If we have studied that there was a lot of crisis, it means that they had to raise taxes to meet their expenses, because if they will not raise the tax, they will not be able to meet their expenses. That's why they have to meet their tax. Winter of 1789, 88 to 89, members of the state elected representatives. Louis XVI called for meeting May 5, 1789. He called meeting from all the three states. Representative from all the state has come, and first state has said 300 and second state has also sent 300. But the third state has sent 600 representatives, and third state wanted that there should be constitutional government. They wanted that constitution should be made, and the government should run on the basis of constitution. What was the meeting of the state general? May 1789. What happened? People were gathered, 300 from the first state and 300 from the second state and 600 from the third state. And but children and women were not allowed in that. So they have sent a lot of letters in that. People were sitting, 300 people of first state and 300 people of second state was sitting in front of them. They got seats, but 600 people from third state could not get the seat. They were standing before first and second state. Representatives from third state demanded the voting to be by population. They wanted that now voting should be by population. But what the state general was saying, that the voting should be from the state general, means only those 300 plus 300 plus 600. But they were saying that there should be universal adult franchise, means everybody should get equal right vote. They wanted that there should be voting right now. But the king could not accept, because king was thinking that if I will give these privileges, then my power would vanish, my nobody will respect me, and he was thinking that my luxurious lifestyle will go in vain. That's why. But the third state was not ready with them, so they left that state general and they came out on the stage. They went in the tennis court, and the third state declared itself to be a to be the national assembly. They declared that they will form a national assembly. Louis XVI responded by locking the third state out of the meeting. The third state relocate to a nearby tennis court where its members vote to say together and create a written constitution for France. So it means that the representative of third state were led by Mirabeau and Abbasis. They declared themselves a national assembly. We have studied. They also declared to draft a new constitution for France that would limit the powers of the monarch. And from here, on June 23, 1789, Louis XVI relented. He ordered the three states to meet together as a national assembly and vote by population on a constitution for France. What happens? It means that their demand were accepted. Here people are